The sound Om has a very special place in the practice of yoga. Om is considered as the beginning of beginnings. Om is not a word, but simply a sound. It is like music, which is beyond race, culture, and even religion. Om is the sound of the universe. Om has many different meanings: philosophical, metaphysical, physiological, and even mystical. We will explore them all in these 7 simple steps. Om is written as a symbol. Om is not a part of any script or language. Om is a vibration of sound. In Sanskrit, it is a combination of A, U, and Ma. Sanskrit is the language of yoga. As we progress, we will understand this better, much better. Each of the 50 sounds of the Sanskrit alphabet is associated with a specific region of the body. We will go into details when we learn about chakra. In the practice of yoga, sound has a very important and a unique place. Sound is nothing but a vibration of energy. Ragas of Indian classical music, mantras, and chants all come from a school of thought called Nada Yoga. First, let us examine the phonetic part of Om. Om is A plus U plus Ma. Let us start with the first letter A and see where it comes from within the body. Make the sound A 2 or 3 times. A. Now place your hand on your navel and make the sound A. You will notice that your stomach is involuntarily pulled in when you make the sound A. Now make the sound U. A, U. A, U. You will notice the difference from the sound A. The sound U is higher and seems to come from the hard part. Now make the sound Ma. The sound Ma is at a different location. It is at the lips. In fact, you cannot make the sound Ma without touching your lips together. Try it. Ma. You can't. You cannot make the sound Ma without touching the lips. With this awareness, let us combine the 3 sounds A, U, and Ma and commence our practice. You may close your eyes to internalize the practice. The first practice of yoga is centering, and the sound Om helps in the centering. Om is symbolic of the 3 main nadis: Sushma, Ida, and Pingala. Nadis are pathways of energy along the spinal column within our body. They represent the three sacred rivers, Ganga, Yamuna, and Saraswati. Today, there is harmony, peace, and bliss in the simple but deeply philosophical sound. As you empty your lungs, you also empty your mind, expelling all the stress and tensions. Om is also a complete meditation by itself. The yogis use a rosary to invoke Om 108 times. Om is the complete healing experience of the body and the mind. Whenever you get hurt, the first sound that comes out of the body is ah, ah, ah. The first sound when you get hurt is ah. When the body is in sudden pain, the involuntary response is the sound ah. The body's natural mechanism to cushion the pain. The scientific invocation of Om frees the body and mind of the pains hidden within by throwing them out. Om is the freedom from the past and the future. The past is gone forever and can never be changed. The past can only be sorrow, pain, or regret. It is released and healed through the root of Om. The present is always a surprise. Notice the sound that comes to you at a surprise. Involuntarily, it is ooh, surprise. A complete experience of the present moment. Ooh of the Om brings you to the present. In totality, soon becomes the past. The future is sometimes uncertain with anxiety, fear, or an activity of the mind. Notice what happens when you try to think. Think, future. The hidden potential within Om is to completely free you from the past and the future. "90% of the time, our mind is preoccupied in the thoughts about the future or the past. Sitting down and chanting Om for 10 to 15 minutes slows down the influx of thoughts and rejuvenates the mind. brings your mind to the present and connects you to your inner center. Om heals the body, mind and spirit. Om is a complete meditation. The Sanskrit word Om, the Latin Omne, Hebrew Amen, and Egyptian god Amun or Amin Ra are derived from the same meaning all. They all sound and convey the concept of omniscience, omnipresence, and omnipotence. Satta Chitta Ananda. In the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God. Amen. Aum. Amen was adapted as Amin. The Quran starts with Om in the form of AUM. The letter L in Arabic is pronounced as U when it comes before a consonant, which means ALM automatically becomes AUM. There is an extraordinary parallel between Islam and yoga, as well as mainstream Indian mystical thinking. Everything starts with Om. In essence, Om is the signifier of the ultimate truth, that all is one. A state of trance. As the individual self merges with the infinite self, which is the moment of self-realization.